kumain na. Magaling na talaga.
Something happened, guys. It just randomly stopped. So let's go. Wait, I forgot to turn it. I'll just do it tomorrow. I'm sleepy. So that's the end, guys. Bye. Wait, let's check this first. Who's that? You guys. Do you want something? I'm gonna make something. Do you wanna do this thing? I'm gonna make a pool in my house. Is my yeah. Open the garage. This is a secret area. Who's that? Open this. Oh, it's not a secret, I guess. Turn off. I'm gonna make a pool. This is the pool and slide. Here is a playground. Okay, let's go. Where's the steps? Close this thing.
Sige na.
What is the thing?
Hindi nga eh. Sabado ko lang yung chinarge ng 4 na oras.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Close. Yeah.
Abot naman siguro yun. Kanina, kahapon di ba umalis kami, nagto 2 bars pa naman. Diyan lang naman ako sa school. Hindi naman siguro.
Okay.
Kasi
I don't think
masira.
I have a slide.
Kaputol-putol yung charge. Nasira yung battery.
Now let's go here.
Good night.
There.
Yan.
Bakit ka natatawa na naman? Hindi ko nakakatawa kay Papa.
Pipiliin ni Pepper. Ay, ako sumakay na naman.
I don't think they have.
Magaling mo kapatid.
I think. No!
Magaling mong sisterette.
No! Nang mangingisda. No!
Magaling na sisterette.
Ni ate. Sisi ki ate. Anak ng mangingisda. Sisi siya. Okay na siya. Ang pipi ni Peppa. Anak ng mangingisda. Pipiin ka. Anak na mamimina. Sisi siya. Pepo. I think I'm gonna get this one. Yeah, purple, yeah, purple. Purple. Ooh. Stop the smoking. Smoking, stop it. Bro, I'm just inside my house. Where is that
Let's go,
boy?
guys.
Good thing I wasn't inside my house.
Ayan, guys.
Okay, what should we get?
Guys.
No!
2. Up, mga guys.
I'm gonna go and get the pool.
Where is the mga guys?
Okay, it's flame hot.
Mga guys.
Bro, stop it.
Up. In a way.
Okay, let's get the smoke.
May mata.
Why?
Come on over. Dito.
What? I want to smoke. Okay, there. So now let's put the...
Uy, Alexa, bahala ka na.
Wait lang, ma. Pabalik din naman.
Pipili ni Pepper.
Okay, it's hot.
Asan yung pamatay ng lamok?
Ito. Charger yan.
Sa'yo ko nga pinapadala eh, pero...
Asaan? Asaan?
Dala-dala ko na. Bakal mo. Pipiliin ni Pepper. Anak ng Pepper.
The lights are open here. Come on, let's go, guys. Let's make some lights. Have us some lights.
Uy, magpatay ka na.
Wait.
Sabi, ang dami oh.
Wait ka lang. Sara mo yung pinto. Pasok ko ba?
Dami, nakikita ko.
Mamaya lubat ka.
Gusto mo masira yung higaan natin?
Sorry guys, wait guys. Guys, my mom. I'm gonna open this just for fun. I'm gonna do my safe open. If we test it has some money. I don't know you, Bandan. Come in here. You can get in here. Not this. Yeah. How about? Wait, isip mo tayo mo.
Papatay ka ng mukha.
Hmm?
Ang dami yung bibiparan.
Inek niya mo.